And so we want to thank the JAHJAH Foundation greatly for this wonderful program wherein our children can really enhance their total development.
So what do you have a school bus or did you get them in?
I saw a parent this morning and I load a lot of them in my vehicle, and I saw a parent and I just asked her to bring them down.
Okay.
We are going to plan how we get in home, but we are going to get back.
God will
provide. Oh yes, man.
Okay.
Oh yes.
Good morning. What's your name?
My name is Denora Fraser. I'm 11 years old. I attend Mount Airy Primary and Infant School.
And what would you like to be when you grow up?
I would like to be a pediatric nurse.
Okay. Good luck. Hope everything goes well. Just stay focused and be about it, alright? Good morning. What's your name?
I am Alisa Smith and I am 12 years old and I attend Mount Airy Primary and Infant School.
And what would you like to be when you grow up?
A nurse.
Nurse. I'm pretty sure you'll make a great nurse. Stay focused and be about it, alright?
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Good morning. What is your name?
Jana.
And how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
And what school do you attend?
Mount Airy Primary and Infant School.
Okay. And what would you like to be when you grow up?
I would like to be a real estate agent.
Real estate agent? Okay. Good luck. Hope everything goes well. I'm sure to stay focused. Okay, it'll work out. Good morning. What's your name?
My name is Abigail Scott.
And how old are you?
I am 11.
11. And what would you like to be when you grow up?
A chef.
A chef? You want to be a chef? You can cook? You ready? Like what's the best dish you can cook right now?
Fish and rice.
Fish and rice? Okay. Grilled stew fish?
No.
Okay, good. Good morning. What's your name?
Christian Williams.
And how old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
Okay, and what would you like to be when you grow up?
An artist.
An artist? You can draw?
Yes.
Very good?
I love drawing.
Yeah?
Yes.
If you draw like a mango, it looks exactly like how it is in the paper?
Not really, but it would kind of look like it.
Okay. Well, I'm pretty sure you're going to make a great artist. Keep practicing, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Good morning. What's your name?
My name is Siobhan Sherwood.
And what school do you attend?
Mount Airy Primary and Infant School.
And how old are you?
12.
And what would you like to be when you grow up?
A soldier.
A good soldier. In the Jamaica Defense Force. JDF. Good. Congratulations. Good luck. Everything will work out. Good morning. What is your name?
Javali.
And how old are you?
11.
11? What would you like to be when you grow up?
Chef.
Huh?
Chef.
Chef? You can cook?
Yes.
What is the best dish that you can cook right now? What is your favorite dish right now to cook?
Rice and pizza.
You can make rice and peas? Wow, that's impressive. A lot of people or adults can't make rice and peas. It's hard to make.
My name is Deshaun Tomlinson.
How old are you?
11 years old.
And what school do you attend?
Mount Airy and Infant School.
And what would you like to do when you grow up?
A singer.
A singer?
Yeah.
You can sing?
Yes.
For real? Sing something to me.
You're out of control. Jesus name so sweet, in our name so sweet. Every rock up in Jesus name so sweet.
Oh, wow. Well, I'm pretty sure you'll make a great singer, okay? Congratulations. Good morning, how are you, sir?
I am alright.
And how old are you? What's your name?
Cassim Nickel. Cassim Nickel. 12. I'm 12.
And what would you like to be when you grow up?
I would like to be a therapist.
Therapist? Okay. I'm pretty sure you'll make a great therapist. Stay focused and pursue your dreams, alright?
Okay.
Good morning, how are you?
Fine.
What is your name?
Javier Linda.
And how old are you?
11 years old.
And what school do you attend? What school do you attend?
Mount Airy and Primary.
Okay. What would you like to be when you grow up?
Soldier.
Soldier?
Yeah.
In the Jamaica Defense Force?
Yes.
Okay. Good luck. Hope everything goes well, alright?
Yes, sir.
Your turn. Good morning. What's your name?
Kejani Freta.
And how old are you?
12 years old.
You're 12. And what school do you attend?
Mount Airy Primary and Infant School.
Where is that school?
Orangeville.
In Orangeville, in Westmoreland.
Yeah.
Okay. What would you like to be when you grow up?
A doctor.
Be a doctor?
Yeah.
Pretty sure you'll make a very good doctor. Just stay focused about your dreams and pursue them, alright?
Yeah.
Your turn. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
And what is your name?
Angelina Thompson.
All right, Angelina. What would you like to be when you grow up?
I wanna be a nurse.
A nurse? Okay, I'm sure you'll make a great nurse. Just stay focused and pursue your dreams, all right?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Morning.
What is your name?
Chloe Johnson.
And what school do you attend?
Monterey Primary.
Okay, how old are you?
10.
Okay, okay. What would you like to be when you grow up?
An entrepreneur.
An entrepreneur? You want to make some money, huh? You're a big businesswoman. Yeah? I'm pretty sure you'll make a good entrepreneur. Just
Thank
stay
you.
focused and pursue your dreams, all right?
Thank you.
And teacher, good morning.
Pleasant morning. How are
How are
you?
you?
I'm giving thanks so far.
So, we are here at the JAHJAH Foundation Health Fair.
Students, just lower it. All right. My name is Lilith Murdoch, guidance counselor at the Mount Airy Primary and Infant School.
And where's the school located?
Oh, this school is located in Mount Airy, Westmoreland.
Which is like how far from the girl?
Oh, it's about 10-15 minutes
Okay.
outside of Negril in the hilly terrain, a beautiful hilly terrain of Westmoreland. So serene and quiet and cool and everything. One of the best schools in Westmoreland, the champion school.
Right.
Yes, where we make brains.
Okay.
Oh yes.
Well, the children are very ambitious and very polite and nice children. How many children attend the school?
Oh, we have a total population of 527 presently.
Okay.
So we range from grades 3 infants to grade 6. Age range 3 years and 8 months to 12. Maybe you find 1 or 2 students who are 13 years old.
Okay. So, how did you hear about this health fair?
All right,
How did
so-
you organize yourself to get here?
I'm proud to tell you that the Rotary president of Negril is a teacher at my school, right? Miss Cleopatra Kentish. And so she informed us of this very, very important initiative that is taking place, where our children can get the chance to have a beautiful smile, to enhance their self-esteem, and also to do well in their academics. And so yesterday I took a total of 25 students. Today I went back to school and I saw the need, and so I took with me this morning 18 students.
Wow, I hope all
And
you can get through.
oh yes, man, this is a very, very important initiative that our children can benefit, because when you can smile without having to cover your mouth, and you feel confident. And so we want to thank the JAHJAH Foundation greatly for this wonderful program wherein our children can really enhance their total development.
Well, Madam Guidance Counselor, thank you so much.
You're welcome,
for the
sir.
great work that you have done in bringing the children here.
Yes, you're
So, what do you have a school bus, or did you get them in?
I saw a parent this morning and I load a lot of them in my vehicle, and I saw a parent and I just asked her to bring them down.
Okay.
We are going to plan how we get in home, but we are going to get back.
God will
God will
work it
provide.
out.
Oh yes, man.
Okay.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
All right, well, nice to see you. Nice to meet you, okay?
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah, have a good day.
All right, good seeing to you.